In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page on Wix. Whether you're tidying up your site or eliminating unwanted content, removing a page is straightforward and easy. So let's get started by accessing your Wix editor. First, log into your Wix account and head to the Wix website editor where you'll find all the tools and options to manage your site's design and content. Once you're there, you'll see that the editor gives you a comprehensive view of your website. Next, for better navigation, direct your attention to the left side panel. This panel is your hub for accessing different site components. Click on the Pages and Menu option located on this panel. This area is essential as it displays all your current site pages and menus, allowing you to manage them efficiently. Here, you have the freedom to add, organize, or delete pages as you see fit. Before we dive into deleting a page, let me walk you through a quick demonstration of how to add a page to show you the flexibility Wix offers. You simply click on Add Menu Item. This action will open an option titled New Page, where Wix presents a variety of templates for customization. However, for this tutorial, we'll choose a blank page to keep things simple and focused. After selecting blank page, it's ready for you to preview and edit as part of your site. Now, let's shift gears and tackle the main task at hand, deleting a page. Return to the Pages and Menu section. Once there, identify the page you wish to remove. Positioned beside this particular page, there are 3 vertical dots. This is a more discrete menu offering additional options for managing your page. Click on these dots to reveal further actions, including deletion functions. Upon clicking, you'll see the option to delete. Select this and you will be prompted to confirm the deletion. Hit delete one more time to finalize it. With these simple steps, the page is successfully removed from your website. It's always satisfying to see how easily content can be managed, ensuring your site remains up to date and well organized. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've learned how to delete a page from your Wix site efficiently. Remember, managing your site's content is vital for maintaining a professional and clean online presence. Thank you for following along, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks on website management.